This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Subaru Crosstrek. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, a drain pan, a new oil filter, and the correct type of new oil. Make sure your engine is warm, but not hot, as this helps the old oil drain more effectively. Finally, locate both the oil drain plug and the oil filter on the underside of your vehicle. Now, let's drain the old oil. Place your oil drain pan directly under the drain plug. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Allow ample time for all the old oil to drain completely into the pan, ensuring you get as much out as possible. Next, it's time to replace the oil filter. Carefully unscrew the old filter. Some residual oil will likely drip out, so have your drain pan ready. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of new oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Then, screw on the new filter by hand until it feels snug, but do not over-tighten it. Finally, let's add the new oil. Reinstall the drain plug, tightening it firmly but without excessive force. Now, pour the correct amount of new engine oil into the filler cap. After adding the oil, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level using the dipstick. Start the engine briefly, then recheck the level and inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.